Material: premium flex chrome vanadium steel. Body drop forged. Surface finish: chrome plated to standard ISO 1456-2009. Long lever 465 mm, 24 teeth. Heavy-duty plastic handle. The ratchet is exceptionally strong and virtually impossible to break using only human strength, regardless whether we use it for tightening or loosening bolts or nuts. The ratchet can withstand torque of over 700 Newton-meters. This is achieved with a durable mechanism with only 24 teeth and a long handle. The ratchet is used for loosening and tightening different sizes of bolts and nuts. Due to its durability, it can be easily used to loosen over-tightened or rusted bolts, such as wheel bolts.